September, and Mamo and Papo are just leaving. There's a good shot of Mamo there in the car.
Yeah, been here all week.
Watch it.
Whoa!
Watch it. You're gonna get wet. You're gonna have wet pants.
If I was in the water,
Your foot's got wet
took a
pants.
dive.
Papo took a 30-minute walk today. That was exceptional habit we hope to get them both into.
Yep. Again.
What a nice comment.
Stronger. The water's getting stronger. Come on out
You
here.
trying to tell me I need to walk? Jog? Come back here. Hurry up, look at your picture. We should get a picture of you. Come on, go there.
There we go. We got him pictured. The horse has come down the street. I'll watch. That won't take a horse.